Hey, Dr. Brian here, and in today's video we're going to talk about why an antibiotic treatment is very similar to how you should be treating your injury rehab. And there's two distinct reasons why. Number one, symptom elimination. When you're taking an antibiotic, in that first couple of days, if you are consistent in taking it, you feel a lot better, right? The same thing can be held for your injury rehab. If you were given the right type of movement to do and you're reinforcing it with the correct drills and avoiding any type of improper positioning throughout the day, your symptoms are going to start feeling a lot better. You're going to get rid of that pain, you're going to get rid of that stiffness. Now that leads us into the second thing, long-term prevention. With an antibiotic, if you take that 2 or 3 week course of treatment and you do it very consistently as prescribed by your medical professional, then you're going to develop an immune response to that particular strand of bacteria or whatever have you that created those symptoms. The same thing happens with injury rehab. If you are consistent with progressing through your program, you're consistent with getting better movement, with reinforcing these patterns to be able to understand how to move better, then your body's going to develop a correct immune response to the next time you put you get into that position. For example, if you have a shoulder problem and you learn how to load your shoulder appropriately, then you're not going to have that same response next time you strict press or you lift a barbell over your head and it's 100 pounds. Your body knows how to do it now for 100 pounds and it knows how to do it for even more than 100 pounds, opposed to before where your body didn't know how to handle it, which would have caused some type of pain or stiffness and even injury. So the big thing you need to think about when it comes to your injury rehab process is that you have to be very consistent with it. This is something we stress a lot with our clients, is that you have to do these drills every day, and it's not just doing the drills, but it's understanding how you should be moving throughout the day. If there are certain principles of movement we're trying to have you reinforce, it's not just when you're doing the movements in here at our clinic or at the gym. It has to be when you're doing your hair in the morning. If you're washing your hair, you're getting stuff out of the cupboards, even driving. We want you to be able to reinforce these better patterns, which is going to give you that immune response to making sure you don't have these injuries, these pain and stiffness symptoms come back. So, in short, when it comes to your health, for your movement, for your orthopedic health, you want to make sure that you treat it just as you would an antibiotic treatment. That's going to get you the best results acutely so that you can get over your symptoms faster, and it's going to give you the best results long term to give you that prevention that you need to stay healthy and stay happy.